back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Alright guys, it's about 2 p.m. Eastern time, and currently the price of Bitcoin is at 108,916. Now today we have the 2-week candle close, the weekly candle close, and of course the regular daily candle close. These candles close in about 6 hours, so you guys have to check back on your charts and see where we close. But right now on the 2-week, we're getting bearish divergence on the stochastic RSI, and the stochastic RSI kind of looks like it wants to roll over. We currently are above the 21 moving average on the 2-week, which is at 92,612, and we do have a green engulfing candle. We're kind of flagging out sideways, so things kind of look bullish at the moment. We head over to the weekly chart. The stochastics are on the way down here. I'm starting to see a little curve, so maybe we could make a bow shape back up and make another hump here. And we have an indecisive green candle. This has been switching from red to green the past couple of days, so it's going to be interesting to see how this closes in 6 hours. The 21 moving average is about 95,647. Again, we are flagging out sideways. I do have this in the flag. This flag could break us out to 135k. Now we check out the other stochastics on the 6th day. It kind of shows like we want to roll over here. We are above the 21 on the 5-day. We're going down on the 4-day. We're making a move back up on the stochastic RSI here, so this is looking bullish. We're going sideways. The 3-day, we're also on the way up. Looks like we might get a little move up here soon. The 2-day, now this one's really good because yesterday and the past couple of days this was curving down. All of a sudden we got a curve back up now, but this is actually looking pretty bullish to me. We currently have a green candle as well. This closes in about a day and 7 hours. Now on the daily chart, we have bearish divergence here on the stochastic RSI. We're humping down here. We zoom in, we had this hump, now we're kind of pushing down, so this is looking a little bearish to me. We are above the 21 moving average and above the 50, which is like around 106,300. So as long as we could close with this green candle, we're going to remain bullish here. We are, like I said, going sideways, and we kind of broke out of the flag here, so let's see what ends up happening. Now on the 22-hour chart, we were on the way down. Now it looks like we're starting to curve, so maybe we could curve back up. We are above the 21 moving average. That's bullish. The 12-hour is curving back up as well. The 10-hour looks like we're making a curve. The 8-hour as well. So everything's looking a little bit bullish. It looks like we might be making a move to 110 or so. The 6-hour is resetting at the moment. We're starting to curve up as well. We have a nice good green candle there. Now on the 4-hour chart, we are also curving back up. We are above the 21 moving average, which is bullish. Now this is where I have the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and as we can see, we're still making this right shoulder, and it looks like we already started breaking out. Now this measured move would take us to about 117,000, like 775 around there, almost 118,000. So if we could break out, that might be the next move. Let's see what happens when we get up here in the stochastic RSI, where we would be with the price range. Now we head over to the 1-hour chart. Stochastics are starting to get a little bit toppy, but I'm liking this. We are kind of flagging out here, as you guys can see. We are above all the moving averages, so far so good. This could definitely, let's see, make a little flag here, could continue to break us up. Yesterday it kind of looked like we were forming a bear flag, but we actually went in the other direction, so now I'm kind of seeing a bull flag here, and if we were to make the measured move, this would bring us up more or less to about 110,170. And this flag that I had on the 15-minute chart, we broke down from. We extend this a little bit more, we would be back in the pattern if we do make that move with the flag. If we readjust this a little bit, so this is a possibility where we could get back into this flag with this 1-hour flag into this rectangular channel here. Check out the 15-minute time frame, and we're on the bottom here below the dotted line. We are on the way up. We are above the 21 moving average, and it looks like we want to start breaking out of this flag that I just drew. So that's why it's looking like, guys, it's looking like we want to go above 110 today, get back into these patterns, and let's see if these other patterns with higher price ranges do play out. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.